不像拍恐怖片儿？我的天哪！
At least 25 people have died in China's Henan province after 3 days of rain matched what one weather bureau said was a level seen only, quote, once in 1,000 years. State media reported several people drowned inside a flooded subway tunnel in the provincial capital of Zhengzhou. Footage from state broadcaster CCTV showed commuters deep in murky floodwaters and an underground station flooded close to the ceiling. This man said he had to fight to stay alive.
The flood was so strong and many people were carried away by that. The remaining few of us, including a kid, were so tired and we nearly gave up. We kept holding on tight to the railing. That's why you can see many bruises on my arms. These are all the bruises. This is one too. This included too. If you don't hold on tight to the railing, it's very easy to be washed away.
About 100,000 people have been evacuated from the city of 12 million. Dams and reservoirs have swelled to warning levels, and more rain is forecast across Henan for the next 3 days. The People's Liberation Army has sent more than 5,700 soldiers and personnel to help with search and rescue. Scientists told Reuters the rainfall in China, like extreme flooding recently seen in Western Europe and heat waves in the U.S., was almost certainly linked to global warming.
晒的一坨。